Hey, Professor Christensen. It is very good to be here to do this first presentation. Just start off, I'm going to be doing this as if the audience were the class, so my other class members. And so I just want to kind of set that first of all. And so giving voice to values. Moving into this first slide here. So what is giving voice to values? I thought it'd be just important to touch on this quickly. I wrote down pathway to action. And so I think that when it comes down to it, really what this is a path from what's on the inside, what you feel, what you know, where your morals are, where you stand, and how that gets from there to the outside, to others, where other people can see and hear, and where you can influence others so they know where you're at and what you're going to do and how you put into action what you feel and know. And so I think that really that's what it means. That's how we do it. You can do that in various ways. You see other people's point of view, you help share your point of view, and there's some steps there. And we're gonna go through this case, hopefully doing this. And so jumping into the case, just to explain that quickly. So we have an audit team, and one of the audit members finds a small discrepancy in the inventory account, right? And so there's just some minor small items that are double counted, and so it's not a huge thing. And so this person who's responsible brings it up and says, "Hey, I think we should just move on. It's not a big deal." But Barbara says, "Hey, no, we should talk to the senior in charge about this, Jessica. We should investigate this a little bit further." And so they have a vote, and they decide, and the majority of the team decides that they do not want to tell Jessica. And they have a few reasons for this. And so their reasons are they have several reasons. So they don't want to get behind on the schedule more. They don't want to bother Jessica with it. Diane doesn't want to really show that she messed up. They don't want to seem incompetent, right? And so there are some shortcomings in their logic here that they had. And so, Diane, if she's responsible for it, she'll be able to resolve it quicker and easier and faster if they just let Jessica know and they work through it right away. Otherwise, if Jessica finds out later on, there could be bigger problems and could be even more of an issue. If Jessica does find out anyway, or if she does find out, if you tell her, then, if there's budgetary problems or issues, that's something Jessica is going to have to make a decision on. If you guys think that you should investigate it further and you let her know, and if she says no, then it's on her, not on you. If the error is indicative of more, you really need to investigate it. And if you don't investigate it further and there's more there, then it kind of shows more of your incompetence than letting Jessica know in the first place. Just working quickly through Kohlberg's model about what Barbara would do in this situation, considering the different stages. So first of all, there's obedience to rules and avoidance of punishment. So in this situation, she's gonna go straight to Jessica. She's gonna avoid that punishment from her boss. Next, to satisfy her own needs. Here, she's not going to want to mess up things with her teammates because that's just going to make life hard. And so she's probably not going to tell Jessica. Fairness to others, she's going to do what the vote is with her peer group. She's going to not just kind of let it slide, not going to go to Jessica. Law and order, go to Jessica. It's part of the accounting standards. You can't let the error go like that. Social contract. Here, she's going to really talk to people, try to figure out the problem, try to investigate it further, but at the end of the day, she's probably going to go to Jessica, do what's right. Universal ethical principle, she's not going to be influenced by other people on her team. She's going to go to Jessica and talk to her about it. For me, I think the biggest thing is communicating with others, communicating with my teammates, letting them know how I feel, maybe communicating those shortcomings to Diane, and letting her know that there's some possible flaws there. I would, end of the day, go to Jessica, because she's the boss, she can make the decision, and it's a thing that we really need to get resolved. And so the giving a voice to values, where this comes in, is really just being able to communicate with your teammates. And so thank you. Short, sweet. Hope that was informative, and you can use that going forward. Thank you.